I saw her with brick in our mouth corner. Come here, girl, come here. We outside, man.
Real time, man. Real time. So, Bricky, for the music industry that you're trying to get into right now, is that what's your take on the music industry right now, Bricky? And if there's anything about the music that you could change, what would it be?
And that may I show them big man thing.
Right.
Amount of talent pack up in my phone when I see a eye.
Right.
And you the tough, and I want to know why.
Right.
You see me? Like the master say, you see like business. It's like you have to have the talent alone, you know. It's like you have to try buy out a bag of station.
Right.
You see? But me not depend on that. You see me? Yeah, man.
Is there anybody right now who's doing some good for you right now that you'd like to reach out to and say, hey, you know what? Big shout out to anybody who's helping.
Yeah, man.
Right, let's do
Mama
that.
Bridget, man, epic and a whole heap of fans, man. You see me? Chargy badness, man. You see me? But you don't know, you see me? Mama Bridget behind me strong, you see me?
Right.
Behind me dance full force, you see me? Yeah, man, me not tell you like a whole heap of fans me have to big up still. They don't know, but they don't know a thing go dark. You see me? I eat one them they still, you see me? Straight Chargy badness, man. Mama Bridget, grind me down. You see me? Epic and Dan and them general, you see me? 4 general whole heap of man, you see me?
Right.
Yeah, man. T-bad and them youth, you see me? Skilly Bang, you see why? Watch out. Skilly Bang, me give him a show, but me give him back a show too, you see me?
Right.
So you come big up the whole east side too, you see me? Because you don't know.
What?
East side see the thing for morning and rate it, you see me?
Right.
So you don't know. The youth have good talent, so you know, the two will just link up and show the people them what go on.
Right.
So big pam, when we are use the chopper phone. So you know, me do my part and him do him part and him gone, and you don't know me still there, I do my thing. So you don't know anytime we can link up and do shit again, see him, you can write, they say it there.
Well,
You see me?
what do you got to say to people who say, hey, you know what? All of the things that are happening right now, when you guys talk about chopper phone and stuff, is this, it links back to scamming. What do you have to say to people who ask you those questions? What do you have to say to them?
Watch out, man, I call, make money now, where phone come in for?
Right?
Eh? Oh, me gonna know you as my virgin, and can call you and say, yo, I got my virgin.
Right?
A piece of money, no.
Right?
No call you and beg a piece of money.
See
That's
that?
my friend.
See that?
Now use the chopper phone.
All right. That,
What we are doing, what we are using phone I do right now?
well, you guess what happened. I'm glad you're explaining this. You need to explain this to the public, man. Tell them what you guys are talking about when you say, hey, you know what? When me use my chopper phone, because a lot of people don't understand the concept when you guys are saying, hey, you know what? I'm doing this or I'm doing that. And then they have a different, perception of what the artist is really talking about. People want to know, how artists come by stuff. So chat with them, let them know where your headspace is at and what's going on, in a sense. Yeah.
So how me over there, so? And me and Skilly Bang link up.
Right.
India East Side, Media Portmore.
Right.
Go for there uptown. How me and go for link and in the uptown. Alright, watch your currency now. The place locked down, the whole Portmore locked down.
Right.
All links are it now.
Boom.
And the chopper phone,
Right. You understand?
you see me? And now we bring it in,
Right.
Remember them things that we use it up and buy we card and call each other.
Right.
You
Right.
see me?
Right.
Yeah, man. A white people crime, man.
See
Them a
that?
make we bossy like them. That's why I call it a white people crime.
See it there?
Them a keep we bossy.
See it there?
Remember them a bring in them technology come share with we,
See it there?
You see me?
See it there?
Them a try make we live like them.
See it there?
Not chop in that.
See it there? And that's
A phone call, I reach out to one another, man.
See it there? So
So,
I'm glad.
if me sick, remember me have to call the doctor them, So me sick,
See it there?
I like me, G.
No man, no lie, you tell man, you're real man.
I want
You
some
understand?
pussy now. We
Yeah.
chop out. How me ever get it for chop out? I have to make a call. Panic chopper phone.
Hey Ricky, on a serious note, is that I want to know that, your music is doing pretty good. The public wants to know what's going on. And now you made it clear for them as well. Because your talent is not something that should be played with right now. Is there
I
anybody...
me for
Anybody out there that you want to reach out to? Is there any actors, any movie star, any channels that you want to reach out to? How about any one of these movies that are coming out in Jamaica right now? Is anybody reaching out to you?
I know say no. Them not reach out to me. They make it look like me not there. The bigger one them.
Right.
The people they make it look like me there, you know. The people them want to see me in the movies, you know. A bag of peeps, you know. Overseas all about. And if you look, you can see it says a bag of people want to see me in the movie.
Right.
But I don't see those big neck man get to Ricky. Me have to wonder if I get they don't want me get me like they don't want to get me in my prime or done some boss here.
Right.
You understand?
Right.
It's like they don't want me bank account get too fat on them. Like them afraid of me and them wife.
Well, Ricky, tell you what happened, Ricky. You know, it's a pleasure talking to you. I got a few persons right here that want to ask you a question right here. A lady right here, she said, you know, big up on Brick Boss. One of them said up next right now. This is Screw right now. Say big up on Brick Boss right now. Big up yourself. Love the way you angle it right now. One of them say, I'm glad the way you explain this right here. You know, and like I said to you, there's a ton of people who wants to know what's going on with Brick Boss. Let me ask you before we take off here. What's next for Brick Boss? Tell them what's going on. What's next?
General, me there at Jamaica and watch you know. You see me come out, you know, me no come out in no tights, you know.
See there?
Allow me I tell you.
Real time. Real time. No
Come
lie.
out with a fat break, you know.
See there?
And me I look some more for make it get fatter, you know.
See there?
And you more break a come around and more export that when me never see it, you know, so watch you know. From me see some good things coming around, me just find it same time. From me see goodness and greatness coming out.
Right.
Me just ever find challenge from me see greatness come around me. Just you understand? I just great boss that the vibe just ever did if you get something new.
And
Me never try to come back with back a story.
hey Ricky, for the young artists who are coming up right now, who are out there, what advice do you have to give them?
Alright. All me can tell them say what you know man. No conscience man this you know. It's like when a man beg, it's like when you know a man have it and you beg him, you know. And him not give you know. And you still a reach out and show him say what you know me I beg you something to me well needed. So me just a try to show the youth say just try come more. Come every time just come at them door and them say you know say Brick Boss ever reach out. Just always make a beep. I ring out there for you, see me, you see me. So you have to get there one day. So them say the more you try, you know. Them say you want good in your nose have to run, you know. You see me?
See that?
Yeah, man, so I just ever try, you know. And me's a boy determined, you know, as a Don Stuggs, you know.
See
As
that?
a garrison youth, you know. We just know so we are go there, we not go back in without food, you know.
See that?
You see me? And so we are dealing with our business, yeah, man. So we are showing them say what you know, as garrison youth and Don Stuggs, we can do it.
Right?
You see me? Yeah, anything could have gone far, you know. You see me? I just saw the corona still, you know, slow me up, you know. Because we done heavy life and base, you know.
Right?
And
Right?
we know we have talent, you know.
Right?
And it has sell, you know.
Right?
Me I sell it in all the ads, you know.
Well,
You see me?
well, Ricky, I'm gonna tell you, man. Listen, the sky's the limit for you. If it's one thing that I can say to you right now is that, you know, you have shown, you know, the adversity